This week we're back in the booth behind the mic and we're going to do a little bit of recording. Let's see what a voiceover guy kind of does behind the mic. I'm Keith Morris. Thank you so much for returning to my YouTube channel. I am a voiceover artist who is rebuilding his voiceover business and sharing that struggle or journey with you on this channel. So why am I rebuilding my business? Well, I got that down in the description below. Please take a minute and give that a read, and that'll give you a little bit more background. I got to say thank you, first of all, for everybody who has been subscribing to the channel. We're starting to see some comments coming in. Those of you that are giving likes to the video, I greatly appreciate it. If you're new here, please take a moment and subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I'm putting up new videos, and give the big thumbs up on the video today. Oh, don't forget to leave a comment too, so you can do that. So like I said, we are back in the studio. We're back in the booth this week, and we're going to run through a quick voiceover project. Just kind of give you the feel and the flavor for what it is I do when I am standing within this booth and what I'm trying to build this business towards. Just a quick little thing. It's not going to be real long this week. So let's jump on over to the desktop here. So you can see that I have my layout. This is what I work with every time. Everything is right here on my screen within the booth. I bring everything up. My script over here is in a browser window this time. Sometimes it's out of an email. And then over to the right here, this is my DAW, or Digital Audio Workstation. I use Reaper for all of my recording purposes. Fantastic program, does everything, audio, video. You can do so much with this. In fact, I learned about this program through a gentleman's YouTube channel called Booth Junkie. This is Mike Delgadio's site, Booth Junkie, and as you can see, he's got an entire series on how to use the Reaper program, on how to install it, how to put plugins in, setting up your microphone, setting up compressors, the whole 10 yards. He's got more information in here than I will ever be able to impart to anybody. So I highly encourage you, if you're thinking about coming into voiceover and this interests you, go check out Mike's site. He's got some great reviews on microphones and other equipment too. So I'll put a link to Mike's site down in the description below. Let's jump into it. Got to get the cans, the headphones on. I like to use headphones. Not everybody likes to use headphones. I appreciate it right in my ears. I pick up on mistakes and errors and clicks and pops a lot easier when I'm listening through these. Here we go. We're going to just start recording and jump right into this. With the most innovative courses, 700,000 inspiring participants worldwide to date, and more than $5 million raised for the Wounded Warrior Project, Tough Mudder is the premier adventure challenge series in the world. Today, we'll take a look at the obstacles you'll face on your road to becoming a Tough Mudder. And that's what I do. This is voiceover, essentially. I read the script, I record the script, and now I'll end up spending a little more time on this. I'll probably do maybe another 2 or 3 takes if this was going out to a client, and then I go back through my entire recording and listen for little inaccuracies. Maybe I screwed something up on the script. Maybe I just need to clean it up, like a lot of breaths and stuff in there. But that's it. I throw a little polish on it, put it in an email, send it up to a site, it's out the door, and then I grab the next script, and we're back, and we're off running again. So this is voiceover. Want to try it? I encourage it. It's a little bit of fun. So that's really all I got this week. I just wanted to share that with you, a little bit behind the scenes. Thank you again for coming and joining me on my channel. I appreciate the time that you spend with me. Please give the video a like. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying what you're seeing here. And now ring that bell, as I said, to get notified whenever I put up a new video. I'm doing it every Tuesday. That is the schedule I'm still sticking with. And make a comment down below. In fact, here's the question. Would you like to see me maybe do a few more of these? Perhaps get a little more in depth, even go into some of the editing processes I go through? Let me know down below. I'd love to hear from you and connect with you. Until next Tuesday, we'll see you behind the mic.